Patience 9. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Parents often take away things or prevent their children from obtaining certain things, such as unhealthy food, in order to protect them. This behavior often causes the child to become sad or angry, as they are completely unaware of the wisdom behind the actions of their parent. This parental behavior is something which is widely accepted in society, and is rightfully believed to be a characteristic of a good and responsible parent. Similarly, in life people often lose or are prevented from obtaining certain worldly things by Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim must understand that the same way parents keep harmful things away from their children, even though their children do not understand the reason behind their choice, similarly, Allah, the Exalted, acts in this manner, according to His infinite wisdom and knowledge, in order to protect His servants, even if people do not understand the wisdom behind His choices. Therefore, every time a Muslim finds themselves in this situation, they should reflect on this simple example, which no one would reject irrespective of their faith, so that they are inspired to remain patient and show gratitude for the divine protection Allah, the Exalted, has granted them. They should not act like an immature child by becoming angry and impatient, as adults are meant to behave better than children. In fact, children are excused from behaving in such a manner as they lack knowledge and experience, whereas adults should not lack this, and will therefore be held accountable for their behavior in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.